every single day. It feels like we're hit with endless choices. What to post online, which friends to hang out with, what subject to pick. Sometimes it just feels impossible to know what's right, and I'm totally stuck. How do you even begin to make a good decision?
Problem deeper indecision, seeker, often springs not from too few options, but too many fears. The fear of wrong choice, of judgment, of regret. Understand this. Decisions are merely actions, taken with the best light you possess, not prophecies guaranteeing a perfect outcome. True wisdom and choice begins with letting go of the need for absolute certainty.
So, it's not about being psychic. How can we actually make better choices without knowing the future? And after we clarify our values, how do we turn those insights into actually acting wisely without getting scared?
Principles. 3 beacons, seeker, illuminate the path forward. First, clarify your core values. Think of your deepest beliefs. What truly matters to you? Is it honesty, adventure, security, kindness? When a choice looms, hold it against these inner truths. Does this decision align with who you genuinely wish to be? If it clashes with your core, pause. Second, embrace the circle of control. Many fears stem from what we cannot control, how others react, future outcomes. Focus only on what is truly yours, your effort, your intentions, your preparation. Make the best choice within your power, then release the outcome to the currents beyond your circle. Third, the principle of reversibility. Before committing, ask, if this choice doesn't work out as planned, can I adjust? Can I change course or learn from it and move on? Many choices are not irreversible cliffs, but merely steps. Understanding this reduces the immense pressure of perceived finality.
These principles are making sense. But what are some everyday real-life hacks or practices we can use when we're facing a tough decision, especially the big ones?
Practical application, hacks. Simple practices, seeker, forge decisive minds. First, the pre-mortem projection. Before a big decision, imagine it 6 months later and your choice has failed spectacularly. Now, write down why it failed. This mental exercise helps you spot potential pitfalls and weaknesses before they happen, allowing you to prepare or adjust. Second, the 1-page decision brief. Take any complex decision and break it down to a single page. On one side, list the top 3 pros and top 3 cons. On the other, list the 3 core values this decision impacts. Seeing it all condensed helps bring immense clarity to complex situations. Third, the time box commitment. For minor decisions, set a strict, short deadline. 5 minutes, an hour. For bigger ones, a day or 2. When the timer goes off, you must make a choice. This prevents endless deliberation and encourages decisive action, even if it's just committing to gather more information by that deadline. A life of purpose, seeker, is built one wise decision at a time. Act with clarity, learn from every outcome, and trust the compass of your well-reasoned mind.
This has been so helpful. If you're ready to make choices with more confidence, remember the Grey Philosopher's wisdom. Like this video, share it with someone who's stuck on a decision, and subscribe for more insights that guide you through life's complexities. What's the toughest decision you've had to make so far? Tell us in the comments.